Hi everyone and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. I'm Alan and continuing our electric kettle series today, we're gonna be unboxing the Ovente electric glass kettle. Now let's take a look at the packaging first. Okay, you can see it right up front. It has an automatic shut-off, 1.5 liter capacity, and 1100 watt for power. Okay, some more information. Mesh filter, cool touch handle, heating element at the bottom. It's about, the basic stuff. Now let's open it up. Okay, customer support, instruction manual. Okay, a cardboard pad, one more cardboard pad. Okay, here we have the base and our kettle, and another cardboard pad at the bottom. Let's take a look at the base. Remove the plastic. As you can see, the base is made of a plastic, a 360 swivel base. The cord is around 20 inches, a little bit short for my liking, but should be enough for household use. The prong is 3-prong product, which should be safer than a 2-pronged. Okay, this to one side. Let's take a look at our kettle. Okay, right off the bat, it feels pretty good in the hand. A thick, cool touch handle. You can see the carafe is made of glass. The water level markings are very clear, which I like. Okay, so the on-off switch and the button to push up the lid is close to one another, so it might be confusing to use, but that should be no problem. You can see here that there's a mesh filter built into the lid. The bottom is stainless steel. Now let's try assembling the kettle on the base. Okay, it turns smoothly, but it's a little bit wobbly. So we'll see what happens once we boil water in it. I'm going to put in 1 liter of water. Okay, as you can see, the opening is large enough for you to fill water in. This might get in the way, so be careful. Okay, turn it on. You can see that there's a ring of blue LED around the bottom for you to spot the kettle when it's in the dark. Very helpful. Now while we're waiting for the water to boil, let's take a look at the instruction manual, shall we? Okay, so I can see that the kettle comes in many colors: black, white, red, fuchsia, purple, orange, green. Okay, so the table of contents include safeguards, parts and features, how to use, how to clean, and how to care and maintain. Yeah, just the basic stuff, but quite detailed. Now let's wait for the water to boil. Okay, so it took a while for the water to reach a rolling simmer, possibly due to the kettle's relatively low power output. Okay, it took some more time to reach a rolling boil. Let's see when will the kettle turn off. You can see that the lid is tightly sealed because no vapor is coming out from around the lid, only from the spout. Okay, so even though this is the first boil, I'm not noticing any odd odor, no plastic smell, nothing odd coming from the carafe, which is good. But pay attention because you don't want to score yourself by touching the glass carafe. Now let's try pouring the water out. Okay, it feels good in the hand. I don't have to tilt too much. The water stream is quite fast, not very steady though. Okay, I do have to tilt a lot near the end, but it's not too much of a problem. But I don't think the filter can help very much in this case though. There you have it, the unboxing of the Ovente electric glass kettle. First impression, small capacity, confusing button placements, and most of all, slow boiling time. We'll evaluate things more thoroughly, the design, usability, and most importantly, performance in our in-depth review video in the near future. So, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!